Is a renter's insurance policy really necessary? Hi everyone, I'm Peter and welcome to How to Insurance, helping you understand insurance, building confidence for your future. So renter's insurance, is that really necessary? I mean, if you're renting an apartment or a home, you have a lot of freedom and a lot of less expenses. You don't have to pay for property taxes. You don't have to maintain the roof. I mean, it's a big deal. You have freedom. So why would you want renter's insurance? Well, I'll tell you why. Number one is because renter's insurance will protect all of your personal belongings if they get damaged or stolen. Number two, renter's insurance will protect your liability. If someone got hurt on your property or a lawsuit came, it would protect your liability. Number three is renter's insurance is cheap. It's really affordable. It can cost as little as $10 a month to have renter's insurance. So we should all have renter's insurance to give you peace of mind in your home. If this is helpful, please like and share. Contact me at appleinsuranceSolutions.com.